Hi, this is Heather. Welcome to another episode of Show Me the Results. Today we're doing a titration, and we're going to be combining a strong base with a strong acid to figure out where they neutralize, at what volume that happens, and see the difference in the information we can get from doing a titration with just an indicator as compared to a titration with a pH meter. So here we have a beaker with 25 ml of HCl. We can tell by the color that it is very acidic, somewhere in this range. We're going to be watching for the color change as we neutralize it with the sodium hydroxide to figure out when it happens. So they're equal concentrations, as we can see over here on the bottles. And all we can do is just wait for a color change. Whoa, that was fast. Okay, whoa, quickly change to blue. So somewhere in the 26 to 27 range of added milliliters added of sodium hydroxide, we hit our equivalence point. Let's see what extra information you can get if you redo this experiment, but with a pH meter. So I'm going to reload just from this preset here. Okay. So here we have the same setup, just with our pH meter, same amount in there, and we'll start up our titration, but I want you to see how the information you're getting differs once you've got that pH meter in there. It's the same color change, but now we can track and see how the pH is changing over time. Those results really make a difference. We'll be able to slow down to be more exact in our flow rate as we get closer to where it's about to jump. Okay, I can see it's starting to slope up, so I'm going to take it a little slower at this point. You can see it's definitely starting to curve upward there, much more steeply. Be close. There it's going up. There. So we went much more exactly that time. We slowed down as we approached where we thought the equivalence point was going to be, and we were able to catch the volume a lot more exactly, and that's what we expect. It should be right around 25 ml because they're both the same molarity. So there you go. The results with the pH meter helped us to find that titration point much more exactly. Thanks for joining us. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and go to beyondlabs.com to download the entire suite of virtual labs.